Hi, welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Les Raymond. Thanks for joining me today for another mindful tip. Today's tip is on a breath practice called alternate nostril breathing. Again, this is a very powerful yet simple practice that we could do if we just don't have a lot of time for maybe a traditional session of meditation. But it could create a great deal of change in a very short period of time. And the way it works is really simple. We're going to use your fingers, so your thumb, and then I've learned it with either my ring finger or my pinky. I don't know the significance of the importance of which finger you use, but it was taught to me that way by someone that implied there was a meaning behind it. So I just don't question that and accept it. I know that the practice itself is very powerful, so this is the way it's done. Close your nostril with your thumb and your other nostril with either your ring finger or your pinky finger. And the way this works is you're going to switch nostrils after the inhale before the exhale. So you start with one nostril closed, inhale, switch, and then exhale out the other nostril. And then maintain that position as you inhale through that nostril, switch, exhale through the other nostril. And what I find is this has a very centering effect. It just brings you into the present moment. You are crossing hemispheres in your brain with your awareness, and it does something. I cannot personally explain all the science behind it. I know that there was a study in it that was referenced by a very popular book, and it showed essentially changes at the epigenetic level, the way our DNA is expressed through a 6-week practice of meditation, and they used alternate nostril breathing as the style of practice. So pretty cool stuff. I'd love to hear from you guys of what you experienced from this practice. But again, inhale through one nostril, switch nostrils for the exhale, maintain that position for the next inhale, and switch. In just a few minutes, you could have a dramatic effect on your sense of presence, how centered you feel. That's what I get out of it. Look forward to hear from you about what you get out of it. And if you know anybody you think would enjoy this video, please share it. And if you haven't liked yet, please do. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.